guys, welcome back to another video. Just coming off the road, visit my dad today because he's not doing well. This guy is not feeling well today, so just come off the road. So what I'm going to prepare for dinner is something quick and simple. So what I have here is some scallion, onion, tomato, piece of thyme, pepper and sweet pepper. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to prepare some callaloo, steamed callaloo, with some caramel dumpling and sweet potato. So right now I'm just prepping the seasoning to just cut them up. Nothing too special today for dinner. So I'm just cutting up my scallion. And guys, please remember to subscribe to the channel. If you are new here, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And please watch the entire video, guys. You can cut your tomato any way you want it, guys. Anyway, it's going one place. Okay, no fancy cutting here. Just a small piece of pepper, not a lot. And this pepper here, guys, it is very hot. I got it from my dad's plant things. So I'm not going to use all of my sweet pepper. Look at that, looking lovely. Alright guys, so I have my pot on the stove, so I'm just getting in some oil now. It may seem like I'm pouring a lot of oil, guys, but no, I'm not using a lot of oil. Alright, so I'm getting my pot hot. So guys, this is my callaloo. I got it cut up. And I got this also at my dad's. He plant them. So that is my cut up callaloo there. Alright guys, so the pot is up now. So I'm going to put in my seasoning at this time. saute them a bit before putting the callaloo. Guys, you know how long I have this pot here and tray to cook in it? Yes, guys, this is the first time I think I'm cooking in this in there. Yeah. So I'm sauteing the vegetables, or the seasoning you may call it, yes, before I cook in the callaloo. So I want all that flavor to go into the oil. Smelling so good, guys. There you have it. Alrighty, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put in my washed callaloo. Yes, they're already washed. If you can, well, guys. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let that steam a little bit at the bottom so it can shrink, right? And then I put in the rest. So this is the rest of the dish. Not a lot. Ooh, it is hot, guys. Alright guys, so I'm just going to mix up everything. And I put everything in the pot. At this point, guys, I'm going to steam butter. Alright, my chiffon, of course. You know, I always cook it my chiffon. Right? And the all-purpose Maggi seasoning. Not all in the works. Right? Some basil. Just a little toast. And my parsley. Just a little toast again. And then I'm going to stir this. All this together. Smelling so good. All that aroma coming out, guys. Smelling good. Smells so good. And remember to taste. And this is almost ready. These callaloo are very soft. Close it for to steam some more. Alright guys, so the callaloo is ready. It's ready now. So when I'm finished putting in these flour, I'm going to wash my sweet potato, then put it in my pot. Alright guys, so here are my potatoes. Wash them already. So what I'm going to do now is peel them into this. Remember these sweet potato that I bought in the market the other day, and I was wondering why it was so cheap. So let's see, because right now they look like them full of worm. So see, that's what them say, anything with cheap never good. So look at that. So you worm them guys, so you know that I'm not going to use them. Let me see if I can find any good one. So this look like you can use. And the peeler here guys, it peels so good and easy. So this one wasn't so bad after all. Not going to get a lot from it, but yeah, use. So let's see with the other ones. Oh my god, they're not good. That one is not good. Though this one too. Oh no. So guys, look what I have to turn to. I have to turn to piece of pumpkin because the sweet potato wasn't good. Got them cheap. And look, that's why them say anything with too cheap, never good. So I have my pumpkin here. So I'm just going to cook this. Wash them properly and cook them. So you clean off any impurities that you see on the back. Right? Alright, so they are all clean now, so I'm going to put them in the pot. Pot is hot, water is hot, so I'm just putting them in the pot right now. Four tiny pieces of pumpkin. And the salt is already in the pot. dumpling. Right. Alright guys, so let's share my husband dinner with me. So take time and take out the pumpkin. Remember guys, the potato was not good. Okay. So here you have it, guys. So you have dumpling, callaloo, and pumpkin. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoy every moment of it. And guys, please remember again, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. See you in the next video.